Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are here again with the W57 Smartwatch. Okay, our last video is all about notifications as well as the Bluetooth call and app notifications. This time we are going to check on how to connect or install the support app for this wearable. So we have some queries about it, and now we are going to show you a demonstration on how to install and pair the W57 smartwatch to the support app. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, we have here the user manual. Okay, so let's look for the support app for this wearable. Okay, so we have here the support app. Okay, so the MActive Pro, it is available in Android and iOS platform. So let's try and scan the QR code. I think it's also available here in the smartwatch. Okay, as you can see here, the QR code, we have it here. Okay, so let's try and scan it with our, of course, smartphone. Okay, so we have here download microwear.com MActive APK. So go to website. Okay, again, this is a step-by-step process on how to download the support app. We have here, I think this is a side load. You have to download the APK. We also have a Google Play and on the iPhone. So let's be safe. Okay, go with a Google Play. Again, if you lost the user manual, okay, the QR code is also available here in the support app. Okay, so we have here the MActive Pro App. So we have 100,000 downloads here. MActive Pro is an app used with smart Bluetooth wearable devices. Okay, tap on install. Okay, it's still pending. Let's wait. Okay, so we have 29 MB only. I guess this will be just fast. Okay, just wait. 80%. We are now on 88. And let's wait. Okay, that's it. It's now installing. Okay, it's available in the health and fitness category with over 1,000 reviews. Okay, so let's check. Okay, let's see. Okay, done installing. It's now scanning the app. Okay, for security purposes. Okay. And I guess it's okay. Seems like we have a safe app here. Okay, and let's open the app. Okay, MActive Pro logo. Okay, so notification reminder. If you need to forward the application notification to the remote intelligent device, please press OK to enter the notification page to activate this permission. Okay, so notification access, just allow. Look for the MActive Pro, just allow it. Okay, allow notification access for MActive Pro. We'll be able to read all notifications including personal information such as contact names and the texts of messages you receive. Okay, so we're done with it. Okay, let's go back. So we have here the UI. As you can see here, no device are currently connected. So on the bottom part, we have home, sport, device, and This is for your profile. Go to your device. So as you can see here, no device, okay, or no, it is not yet bound to any device. So bind now. Okay, currently Bluetooth device is not turned on. So here, let's activate the Bluetooth. Okay. Okay, so it's already activated. Tap on bind now. Okay, so here, another permission. Allow MActive Pro to access this device's location. Just allow it. Allow MActive Pro to access photos, media, and files on your device. Just allow it. Allow MActive Pro to take pictures and record video. Allow it. So 1 out of 3. Done. So I have here the Watch 7, i7 Pro. Okay, so this is also a 7 series smartwatch. Okay, is this the smartwatch? Okay, let's check. Okay, go to your settings here. Okay, Watch 7 22, as you can see here. Okay, 22. Okay, 22061510 22 to the Watch 7. So this is the smartwatch. Tap on it to pair. Okay, it's now connecting. Okay, let's wait. So let's wait for the pairing of the smartwatch, okay, to the support app. Okay. Okay, so we are connected to the support app. Okay, so as you can see here, Watch 7 100% connected. Okay, so let's try and check. Okay. Okay, so we are paired with the W57 Smartwatch. Okay, so what we have here are the settings for the wearable. So we have the Find Watch, Information Notice, Bluetooth camera, Dial Manager, My Card, My payment code. We also have Drinking Water Reminder, No Contact Information, Weather, Heart Rate Monitoring, Frequent Contacts, and Firmware Upgrade. So let's stop here. Let's check if there are new updates. Okay, seems like we don't have any update. Okay, so we do have here. Okay, so later we are going to upgrade our smartwatch. So we have over-the-air update. So for the basics of the Watch 7, let's activate first the notification here. Okay, so you can receive messages. Okay, just activate call. Okay, allow MActive Pro to make and manage phone calls. Just allow it. Allow MActive Pro to access your contacts. Allow it. SMS notice. Allow MActive Pro to send and view SMS messages. Just allow it. Okay, and we have here set of apps that you want. If you want to receive from these applications, okay, just activate it. For example, we have Messenger. Let's look for the, oh, okay, it's already activated. Viber, just allow it. Okay, so that's it. Okay, we also have here the Dial Manager. Okay, we'll check this one, okay, on our next video. Okay, and we also have Bluetooth camera. What else? We have frequent contacts, so you can add your contacts here. Okay, for your Bluetooth call. Okay, we have the sports. Okay, with the support for connect the GPS. We have the home here, sleep, ECG, oxygen. Okay, and we have the profile here. You can set the unit settings here: centigrade to Fahrenheit, 12 system to 24 system. Okay, metric to English system. Okay, what else? Also have the target steps here. You can set. Okay, female health notifications here, or monitoring you can also activate. So that's it in pairing your MActive Pro App, okay, to the W57 Smartwatch in the Android platform. So very easy. So far, no issues we encountered. Okay, sometimes it take a while for the pairing, okay, but anyway, it's still successfully paired, as you can see here, with our support app. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this tutorial, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Goodbye.